Hey, what's up? It's your girl Kristen Marie and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be taking you guys with me to Target, my favorite store. I have to run some errands, but I wanted to do an affordable makeup starter kit. But I want to take you guys in person and show you some of my favorite affordable makeup products that I feel as if you should try if you are a beginner in makeup.
Life is what you make it. My shit been amazing. I can't see a way out. I've been stacking face down off canvases I painted. I just spent the rain day on shit I can't afford.
I got this video idea from JuicyJas. I noticed that she did an affordable makeup starter kit for beginners inside of, I think, a Walmart. Like, I want to do that too. I love to shop, and I'm like, why not take you guys along with me to Target, my favorite place to shop, and show you guys some really amazing, underrated, affordable makeup products that you should try if you are a beginner in makeup or if you're new to makeup. These are going to be ideal. They're affordable, and they're just such great quality of products. So let's head to Target.
Brow pencil is a must in your starter kit, and this one by NYX Cosmetic is a micro pencil, but it's very precise. It evenly fills in your brows. I repurchase this over and over again. Next, you're going to want to have a primer. A primer is going to extend the wear of your makeup, prolong it. I love this one by L'Oreal, their Prime Lab. It is so good. I've been using it for a while now, and this is one of the best primers that's affordable. Finding a good foundation is so hard when it comes to affordable makeup, but this Milani Concealer Perfect is one of my favorite. It is so full coverage. It covers anything hyperpigmentation, and it's very long lasting. You also want to have a good concealer. So this e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer is one of the best. It's full coverage, more of a medium to full coverage. It's non-creasing, it's hydrating, it's creamy. It reminds me of the Tarte Tape Shade. I like this one a lot. You'll definitely want to have a setting powder. It's very hard to find a setting powder, but I feel as if the Makeup Revolution IRL Filt'r is amazing. It's blurring, it's smoothing. It covers your under eyes so seamlessly. It blurs out any pores, any texture on the face. Definitely high quality. Now, I know I've talked so much about this mascara in so many videos, but it's just that good. The L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara, holy grail, hands down, one of the best mascaras for affordable makeup, period. I love the wand, and it's small enough and tiny enough for me to be able to extend my lashes at the top, but also the bottom. This mascara is definitely a must-have. LA Girl, they have some really good products, and I absolutely love their soft matte cream blush. Not only is it a soft matte, but it's so freaking pigmented. A little goes a long way, and I kid you not, you can use it for your blush, you can use it on your lips, you can use it as an eyeshadow. That's how creamy and pigmented the formula is. And don't sleep on these Makeup Revolution bronzers. They're very blendable. They're smooth. They remind me of the Charlotte Tilbury bronzers. They're so freaking good. If you're looking for an affordable bronzer that's good, this is it. Now, when I was starting off in makeup, I actually had this black Radiance powder. You have your highlight, you have your sculpt, and you have your contour. This is the perfect palette if you are new. It tells you what to do, where to apply it, and everything. Like, listen, this is an amazing palette. The Lip Bar is another brand I would highly recommend. They have really great products. I absolutely love their finishing powder. I love to use it after I finish up my whole makeup look. Very skin-like, very soft finish. They have really great quality products. Eyeshadow palette by LA Girl is another underrated makeup product. This is so creamy. It's so buttery. They're blendable. The colors are pigmented. This is a great palette for fall, for all year round. They have multiple shades of colors. This is really, really an underrated eyeshadow palette that isn't spoken about often. Wet n Wild, they have some really good makeup products as well. They're hit or miss, but I absolutely love this liquid eyeliner. It's very, very good. It's very precise. It's pigmented. You'll love this one. I still use these LA Girl HD Pro Conceal correctors, concealers for any day, any look, any occasion, because they are OG and they're just so good. They're only $4, but you can contour, you can highlight, you can use it to conceal, you can use it as a full base concealer, correct. And these NYX Butter Glosses, you'll definitely want to have in your makeup bag. They pair up so nicely with any lip liner. They're glossy, they're pigmented. Yes, I love these. e.l.f. did their thing when it came to rebranding their satin lipsticks, okay? The quality is so nice. The packaging is everything. You really have a quality product that's affordable. Like, you can't get any better than this. Great to pair up alone or with a lip liner. They have a variety of shades. Comes to lashes, I always say start off small. I started off by using wispies when I was new to makeup, and they worked perfectly. They're easy to install. They just look really pretty, more natural. I would highly recommend these if you're new to makeup to start off in. A setting spray, but if you have to have one, this one by NYX Cosmetics is really good. NYX Cosmetics, they have some really good makeup products, and this one is it.
If you've made it to the end of the video and you enjoyed the entire video, make sure you hit that subscribe button, that post notification bell, so you are notified every time I do upload new videos. And I hope you guys really enjoyed this coming to Target with me shopping for, you know, for your beginner makeup starter kit. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that post notification bell so you are notified every time I upload new videos. If you guys want to see more beginner makeup videos, drop some comments down below and I will see you in my next video.
Life is what you make it. I should been amazing.